This is Dalton and Chad at Coyote Classics, and today we're behind the wheel of a beautiful 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo.
This little small block rolls, doesn't it?
I love this car. This is one that I've said multiple times I would drive this car every day.
Yeah, it is a show quality car as far as the paint and body. Everyone checks with, it's like they're checking with Brady to make sure he's okay up there. Thanks, bud. Another thumbs up. Huh?
Yeah, this one's hard not to get thumbs up in. Beautiful paint, beautiful.
Hell, those pigs are even hollering for it. Did you hear that?
Pigs squealing in the back of the truck there.
Yeah, they're excited.
Oh yeah.
All right, so gas gauge works. 99,973 miles on the odometer. Look how clear the lenses and stuff are. And the dash is in great shape. The dash pad, the wood grain, everything is just very, very nice on this one.
It is.
We'll get into the rest of the interior stuff in a little bit. Horn works, wipers work, clock does not work. As far as the rest of our stuff goes, all the rest of these are just lights, okay? Turn signal indicators work both sides. Heater fan works.
I'm excited to show you guys the exterior and the under the hood of this car too. Just beautifully restored, great paint and body.
That's the main thing on this one, exactly.
Engine bays, show quality.
They put a nice CD player in it as well.
Yep.
That's all we want to show. It works and it's got speakers, right? But yeah, very, very nice car.
And if I remember right, when we first drove this car, it drives awesome too. And so we'll showcase that in a second.
How about that idle?
Yeah. Good power.
For a big car, listen to that thing go.
It's a small block Chevy in there, but it runs like a big block. Good power. Great sound. Perfect shift.
Yeah, absolutely no hands on the wheel that whole damn time.
Yeah. These are good cars. And
speedometer works good too. It might be off just a little. It says we're doing 60. I'm guessing we're doing about 65 right here. Kick down's perfect. Up to 70, 75, shifting to third.
Yeah.
Wow, no.
Yeah, when Chevy built these cars, they knew what they were doing. I mean, drive handled great, and this one.
And the coolest thing, like you said, we have not even got to the best part of the 71 Monte Carlo, and that's the paint and body.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Brakes are mid, no pull left or right. This one's ready to go.
Yeah, it's got all three stages you want in an old car. Mechanically awesome, beautiful paint, beautiful body, and super, super solid.
Good solid tranny too. Huh?
Yeah, tranny's just great. This 1971 Monte Carlo can turn a Ford fan into a Chevy man, I think. Beautiful car, gorgeous paint and body. We're gonna check it out here a little closer and show you why we like this thing so much.
For a 350, it's got a nice little rumble.
Oh, it sounds
great. And that
great.
motor looks so freaking small in that engine bay, you know?
It's got great power too.
It does.
Awesome sound.
But listen to how it just goes right back at a beautiful idle. That's what I like about it. It's just dialed in, ain't it?
Yeah, this is a nice car, and when we bought it, we were trying to figure out, trying to get the previous owner to tell us who painted it. But just because the paint on this thing is absolutely gorgeous, still looks wet.
Look at this. I mean, this is what gets me. Look at, like you said, look at the paint and the inner fenders. You really have to see this car in person. This is a car you can take to any show and be super, super proud of. And look at the engine bay. Look at that engine's all been clear coated as well.
Yeah.
Got a nice set of headers, sounds just like it should. Power steering, power disc brakes. We just got done driving this thing, and the brakes are perfect. The steering is awesome. It's got power. The tranny shift's great. It's just one of those absolutely no excuses.
Yeah. Looks like it's got some new wiring.
Another thing about it, not only the inner fender, the red paint on the inner fender is just freaking awesome. Look at the paint on the firewall. You know, new brake booster, new power steering pump, new fuel pump, alternator, all new. Looks like we got all new bolts and bushings on the top. Headers were replaced. I mean, just a fantastic car. Even in here to have the washer fluid and stuff all done. Power steering pump looks pretty much new as far as that is new, but the gearbox even looks new. So just a fantastic car. Aluminum radiator.
Yeah.
I love this one from the front as well. You know, just the gorgeous chrome with that deep red color.
That's a beautiful red, and the wheel and tire choice is fantastic for this car as well. This really sets it off.
Back of the hood lines up great. I did notice it's got, yeah, it needs to be touched up right on the inside there. It's got a little tiny chip you can see there. As we look up and down the sides, I mean, it's laser straight. The back of the door, the front of the door line up great. Really nice gap here. Beautiful finish. Nice body line all the way across here as well. I mean, this paint is so smooth, Dalton.
It is. It still looks wet almost.
It definitely does. I mean, everywhere you look on it. This one has the original trim on the back here, so it's got a couple little dings on the bottom here. The last Monte, they did all new trim. This one's a nice original trim. Back bumper's been replaced. This trim here is still original. It's got a little pitting in it. Look at the trunk lid, how nice that fits as well. Nice sounding dual exhaust.
It's got the biggest thing, so it's got the right stance, wheels and tires, where it just looks badass.
Look at the interior too. They did a great job on this one. So as far as the paint goes, in the jams, as nice as any paint job out there. As far as the seats have all been recovered, front and back. They look great. Headliner is awesome. Visors are nice. Thing with this one is all that trim is beautiful as well. Get the shade out of there. But that wood grain is gorgeous. Carpet's been replaced. Even in here, just really, really nice. Felts look like they're still original. Door rubbers have been replaced. Door panels are excellent. Yeah, trunk's great as well. Really nice paint in the trunk area. As we look up and down the sides, driver's side just as nice as the passenger side. Beautiful car. Good tread on these tires. As far as our tire size go, we have, what do we got, Dave? We got 215 40 18s on the back. So some nice wide ones on the back. Beautiful US mags. Wheel well trim has been replaced.
On the fronts, we got 235 40 18s.
Okay. Again, trim's original, but down at the bottom, but still very nice. Both the front fender, where it meets the door, and the back, where it meets the quarter, are awesome. Again, really nice fit here. Love the way the doors open and close. Just pop right open. Corner of the door is great. Oh, just really nice. As far as our wood grain, again, excellent shape. That's been replaced. Steering wheel does have a wrap on it. I haven't pulled that off. I'm guessing there may be a crack under there. And there is just a little bit of a, it's not a, looks like somebody maybe had dyed the headrest at one time. Anyway, check this out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. This one drives just as nice as it looks and shouldn't be around too long.